Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. This error message comes during your installation of Windows 11 computer due to your limitation of hardware minimum requirement, but good opportunity for you. You can install Windows 11 computer with your limited hardware. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Now installation page has been appeared. Click on next. Now click on install now. Setup is starting. Here click on I don't have product key. Now select Windows 11 Pro, that means professional version, and click on next. Look, the message is appearing here. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Now press Shift F10 on your keyboard. Command prompt will open and type here regedit registry edit and then hit enter. Registry editor has been opened. Now expand H key local machine. Now expand system, then click on setup, right click on setup and click on key. Give the name lab config. Now select lab config key. You can right click on empty area, click on D/32-bit value, or you can right click on your key and click on D/32-bit value. Type the name bypass TPM check. That means it will bypass trusted platform module check, and then right click on key settings and click on modify, then change the value from 0 to 1. The value has been changed. Again right click on empty area, select click on D/32-bit value and type again bypass RAM check. It will bypass the RAM requirement check. Now right click on the key settings and click on modify and change the value from 0 to 1 and click on OK. Now again right click on empty area and D/32-bit value, give the name bypass secure boot check. Bypass secure boot check. Now right click on the key settings and click on modify and change the value from 0 to 1. Click on OK. Close registry settings. Type exit on command prompt to exit. Close this warning window. Click on install now and I don't have product key. Now select Windows 11 Pro, then next. Now click on license agreement, then next, and select custom installation and select your hard disk where you want to install your Windows 11 computer and then click on next. The Windows 11 computer is started booting successfully. The minimum requirement failure warning message is not appearing. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.